Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix apps not showing when swiping up on home screen. It's probably because you have the app drawer disabled. Then in that case all apps are shown on the home screen and you can access them. But if you want to enable the app drawer, feel free to do it by simply going to settings, then going to home screen and settings, home screen layout, and make sure home and apps screens are applied. If I select home screen only, then you can see I don't have the app drawer. I have some search and stuff like that. It's pretty useful, but all apps are shown on the home screen. Now if I go to home screen and set it to home and app screen and apply it, now my home screen only displays the apps that I put it there myself, and the app screen shows all the other apps available on my phone. If that didn't help, then maybe there's some issue with your phone and you may want to either restart it or update it. To restart it, press and hold on power and volume down at the same time, then you'll see this menu. You can now tap on restart and wait until it finishes. If it didn't help, then you may want to update your system by going to the settings, scrolling on all the way down, finding software update and checking for updates. If there's an update available, try installing it in order to fix some issues. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.